So we're off to the fountain, and it's a beautiful day in Minneapolis downtown. Look at the sun. You probably can't see it, but look at the downtown life and the people. Kind of empty, but guess who's here? It's Candy, aka Precious Jewels.
Precious Jewels here, guys. Just got off of class.
Just got out of class.
Just got off of
We can go.
off of something.
Off of something. Oh, Chili's kind of cute. But
Oh, shut up.
I gotta call it a day at 6. Hopefully, I don't mind working, but I kind of don't want to today. I'd rather work on my usual.
Talking. Why are you trying to talk?
I don't ever look into the video. That's so cute. But other than that, people, I guess I'll start talking into the camera now since this wretch want to tell me what I got that I need to do.
Yeah.
I don't see any water, Precious. It's still too cold. That's
I
why.
wonder what
It's cloudy, guys.
a picture with them.
Yeah, right.
Can I ask them?
Yeah, let's ask them if we take a picture. Oh my God,